Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and simple recipe. We included this recipe in the Summer Reading Club bags for teens, and it is pepperoni pizza waffle pockets. Say that 5 times fast. And so I wanted to share this with you guys. We've made this a couple times in our Simple Cooking for Teens program that we've done, and we love it every time. It's very easy, it tastes great, and it's really easy for teens to do on their own. Especially if you trust them with a waffle iron. And so we can go ahead and get started. All you need is a tube of refrigerated biscuits, some cheese. The recipe I gave you guys calls for mozzarella, but I just used whatever cheese I had at my house. And then I'm gonna use pepperonis, but you can use whatever pizza toppings that you want, and some pizza sauce. And I have a waffle iron, and then I also have spray to spray it on the waffle iron so it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna show you guys, this is a mini version of one that I've made, so you kind of know what you're getting. Ooh. And so I'm gonna, in the recipe, I think it says to cut them in half. I actually do the full biscuit because I don't feel like it gives you enough surface area to make it worth your while. And so all we're gonna do is take a biscuit and flatten it and kind of stretch it out. And you're gonna do that with 2 of them. So you end up kind of looking like that. And then you are going to put some pizza sauce on one side of them. I guess you could do on both. I feel like the more sauce you put on, the messier it could possibly be. And so you're gonna just put that on the bottom. Put some cheese on there. And a couple pepperonis. And normally I eat a pepperoni or 2 when I'm making this because, you know, taste testing and all that stuff that a chef has to do. But I won't do that because that's not good video etiquette. And all right, I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on the top of all the pepperonis. And then once you have all the toppings you want in the middle, you're gonna set the other biscuit on top, and you're gonna pinch the edges, and this just encourages the ingredients to stay inside, because this can be messy in your waffle iron if you put too many toppings into the pizza pocket, and so just be wary of that. Maybe do less than you think the first time, because it is kind of a beast to clean a waffle iron. All right, so it kind of looks like that. Cute. And it's all ready. So I'm gonna spray my waffle iron. And then I'm just gonna set that in there. And it is kind of, because it's not a normal like waffle batter situation, it is hard for it to close all the way, but it should be okay. But these are, I think they're pretty tasty for something that doesn't take very long to make. And the teens really seemed to like them when we made them. We had like a pizza theme for the Simple Cooking thing. So we also did fruit pizzas. So we had like cream cheese and fresh fruit and stuff. And a couple of the teens took the opportunity to put all that stuff in a biscuit to do like a fruit pie kind of thing. And I was like, look at them being creative and sort of healthy. But then it kind of was disastrous, messy wise. And so there's fruit juice everywhere, and I'm pretty sure, and they put a lot of fruit in it, so it almost like broke my waffle iron, but I'm fine with it. They tasted good, and I like the creativity, so all is forgiven. I also realized a minute ago that the other cooking video I did for you guys was also pizza, so I may have a problem, but I'll keep checking this, maybe flip it a little bit. But yeah, so we're just gonna wait a second for that pizza to finish up. But I think any cooking that you can do with your kids is a good thing. That's a good sensory experience, just all the different textures of things. And I also think it helps them appreciate all the work you parents do to cook for them. And they kind of get to take ownership of what they've done, and they usually feel really proud and are more willing to eat something that they've made, I think. So I just think cooking is a fun thing to do, and it's a skill that you need your whole life, so why not start when they're younger. But all right, we're gonna wait for this one to be done. And I like to save some pizza sauce at the end to dip it in. But there's a lot of different recipes you can do with biscuits in the waffle iron. Like I think you could do a dessert like s'more one and do like chocolate chips and marshmallows or something and like graham cracker crumbs. I think that would be delicious. So I may try that and see how it goes, but I think I'm all biscuited out. This is my second take on this video. The first one, someone randomly called me and it stopped the recording. How's that my fault? I don't know. All right, I think we're, and I got the flaky layer biscuit so I can see all those layers. Don't burn yourself, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So that's kind of what it looks like. Ignore that burnt part. But it's nice and golden and it's easy to tear into sections, especially if you want to do it for a snack. Just an afternoon snack is each person gets a square or two. A square? You know what I'm saying. A section of it. But that's all that is. And I will, it's still hot. I'm trying to do like the, show you guys. It's nice and cheesy. There you go. All right, well that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and I hope you guys can make this recipe for yourselves. And if you do, please share pictures of your successes or whatever happens. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you guys for watching. Bye.